we're on our way to this supermarket called Eurospin. It's like, supposedly it's like the Costco of Italy. So we're on our way over there. Should be exciting. Shopping carts here are designed brilliantly. They got 2 wheels that are in the back that spin.
Packages are so small.
How brilliant is that? A shopping cart where 4 wheels pivot. You can turn on a dime. Alright, so I was walking and I saw this lady using the shopping cart and she's pulling it from the front and whipping it. So here's a little demonstration. Okay, this place is amazing. Not only do they have shopping carts that have 4 wheels that spin, they have chanterelle mushrooms in the market. We're gonna get some of those.
Tomato.
This guy right here just broke the conveyor belt with all his food. Euro Spin, that place should be called Euro Spend. I can't believe that guy broke the conveyor belt with his food. That's so funny. If you don't take your shopping cart back, you lose your money. Let me show you. See, in the US we have created this system where we've put this wired perimeter around grocery stores and shopping carts just linger all over the place. Look at that. Every shopping cart in this parking lot is right there. Because if you don't take your shopping cart back, they take your money. That's brilliant. Okay, here we go. We are going up to a hike. Got my co-pilot going up to a waterfall. Okay, so they have these really poisonous vipers. We just found one. Puppy, you sleeping back there? No? Almost? Puppy, you tired? Alright, just dropped off Coffee and Sarah. They're gonna hang out here. Look at it, we just came down. Alright, here we go. Up close look. The waterfall right over there. Woo! Alright, here we go. Got the long trek up. Look at this. Straight up a mountain. How's this little thing? Some fresh water coming out of a mountain. All right, puppy, we can do it. All right, we got a long trek back, but we are making the journey. Puppy, say hi. No. Puppy, what are you doing? You want my glasses? Take my glasses. Puppy, put them on. Yeah, puppy. Woo!